In this video, we're gonna show you how to register a marriage in the UK. First, check eligibility. Both over 16, single or divorced or widow, not closely related, allowed to marry in the UK. Then choose venue, registered office, approved venue or religious place. After that, give notice. Go to your local registered office in person at least 28 days before with ID, proof of address, and any divorce or death documents. Then hold ceremony. Get married at the approved place with a registered or authorized officiant with at least 2 witnesses. And the last one is registered and get certificate. Sign the register and request your official marriage certificate for legal proof. So that's how you registered a marriage in the UK.